This is a quick follow-up video. I want to mention, yes, I use acetone in my cleaning solution. I use Dawn dish detergent, and I use Simple Green, and then I fill the rest up with water. If you leave your movements in the cleaner for longer than 10 minutes, or if they have a lacquered on the plates, acetone, ammonia, several things will remove the lacquered plating. So it is best that you start off with a minute or a couple minutes, and again, if you leave it in there too long, the lacquered plating will come off. So this is just what I do. What you do is up to you. And again, please subscribe to my channel, and God bless.